Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I'm back again releasing a new simplified set of Among Us patterns for keychains. These are about 3 inches tall and are far easier than my bigger Among Us patterns, and they only take about half an hour to make each. Here's a list of everything you need. The Minky I use is a 1.5 polyester Minky, and I buy my fabric in bulk from AliExpress. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and my Pinterest now too. It's the second link in the description. The top half is the Crewmate pattern and the bottom half is the dead body variant. First thing you need to do for the Crewmate keychains is take the visor pattern piece and on the side with tracing, trace around it where you want to place the visor on the body. After that, use this guideline on the fluffy side to join the visor on using a running or a backstitch. On the left hand side of the visor, join on the small white glint. Place both body pieces together with the tracing showing and begin joining them. When you've almost reached the end, flip upright, stuff it, and close off the gap with an invisible stitch. Take both oxygen tank sides and place them together wrong side up and begin joining them. When When you've almost closed it off, flip it upright and stuff it. Use an invisible stitch to finish off the remaining gap. Pin the tank to the back of the crewmate body and use an invisible stitch around it to join it on. Once done, take the keychain and some pliers or something that you can open the hoop with and hook it onto the string at the top. When it's hooked on, close off the hoop. And that is how you make a Crewmate keychain. Here's a list of everything you need for the dead body keychain. Pause here if you need to. Place both orange leg pieces together with the tracing showing and join them so that the straight top edge is left open. When you reach the top straight edge, align the brown middle body piece and begin joining it around the oval starting in the center corner. When you've almost reached the end of the sewing line, flip it upright and stuff it. Tuck in the excess seam, then use an invisible stitch to finish the sewing line. Take the cut in half oxygen tank and place both pieces together with the tracing showing and sew them together. Leave enough space to flip, then stuff it and close off the end with an invisible stitch. Pin this to one side of the half body and use an invisible stitch to sew it on. Once done, join both bone pieces together wrong side up and join them so that the straight edge at the bottom is still open. When you reach the end, use the straight edge to flip it upright and stuff it. Pin this to the centre of the middle body and use an invisible stitch to join it. Take the keychain and open up the loop at the end with pliers and hook it onto the back of the body on the string. Close it off when you're sure it's joined. And that is how you make the dead body keychain. And that is both keychains covered. I hope this video helps everybody that has been requesting it. I hope to do more plushie keychains in the future. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!